But here in today's world, we can go to places within 24 hours. A plane ride and you're already halfway across the world. That's a big deal. Your mind, its whole entire life is used to India. Can you imagine that? And then literally within 24 hours, you're in America. It's so unnatural. It's so surreal. Your mind will start playing games with you because your mind is still trying to register so much. It's like literally so much information. Everything's literally so different. And the people, the food, the smell, everything is so different that your mind gets that. In one day, your mind flipped. That's not easy, guys. So now, not only did she do that, but she didn't spend a long enough period to finish the stages of culture shock. That's the problem too. When you get to where you're going and you don't finish those stages of culture shock and you don't go through and conquer all those emotions and conquer your demons and your fears. Yeah, just 45 days, you see? Just 45 days. You know what 45 days is? That's the honeymoon phase. Again, if you go and you Google culture shock and the stages, 45 days is sometimes estimated to be just the honeymoon phase. So she went and literally her mind went on a honeymoon. It's like, whoa, wow, amazing. And then literally she got taken right back out without even being able to fully go through those emotions and conquer and adapt and get used to that life. And now she's going through reverse culture shock. Man, good luck. I've been there.